Now we're going to use the Seamless plugin inside ChatGPT to prep your call talking points. Cold calling has never been this easy. We're going to combine our contact research with messaging so you can have your call fully prepped and loaded so it'll never feel like a cold call. You'll feel completely prepared. I'm typing in this prompt, pull up everything you have on the SPV of sales at Datadog, including his verified phone number and email, and give me 3 talking points for a cold call, including a likely pain point based on their role, company, and current priorities. Within just a few seconds, you have the contact information with a 99% confidence score for exactly who you need to talk to with their verified email and phone number. And you have the recent data reports with what that company is currently experiencing. So you're never approaching a cold call completely blind, completely cold. We have your 3 cold call talking points. So recently, what the company's been going through, their likely pain points, and the angles in which you can approach your cold call with the best opening. Instead of going into cold calls completely blind, Seamless is now turning your cold calls into informed conversations by giving reps the right person, the right context, and the right reason to call with a single prompt. Check it out and try it out today.